So this one is for all them people that who call and say them a come up from Jamaica, come visit. Them say them a stay for a week. And we said to them, alright, you can come stay. Family, friends, all about. When they not come up, we said to them, say, listen, if foreigner not come, bring some stuff where we can get up here. Or then too expensive. Bring some cheese, you know, the little tasty cheese them. Bring some biscuit, you know, Bigfoot. Bring some banana chips, Chippies, St. Mary banana chips. Bring gizzarda. Bring tambourine ball. Bring peanut punch. Bring magnum. Them little things that we know we can't do. Get up here, or even if we can't get them, then either steal or then dear or expensive. We say, like, when I come up, bring them sitting there for we. Now, when say yes, I'm not going to bring them and we feel good about that. Tasty patty, juicy beef patty, and we feel good about that. You know, so when I come up and I bring them some. But let me ask a question. Why is it that when you come up with the something them, you spend the whole week up here and name them off? As you reach and put on your bag, it things them belong to we who live a foreign. Take on the eye off of them. When you come up, we can carry go Chili's, we can carry go Chinese buffet, we can carry go the mall, you understand? Go do all I want to do shopping or whatever, we can buy local dinner food or whatever, if you don't want to eat Lay's banana and potato chips and anything, we can go to that. But why is it that you have to come up with a party and before the week done, on the name out 6 or 12? You come up with a tin of cheese and on the name half tin of cheese before you go down. You come up with the St. Mary's banana chips and on the name out more than half a little bag of banana chips. Them little St. Mary's banana chips are almost a handful of banana chips in a bag, you know. You know how we up here and nurse them the chips they want to know gone? One bag of St. Mary's banana chips have to last for 6 months. But you come up with something say we you know bring it for. We. I want to turn on me off. That don't make no sense. So me just kindly tell all of you who are in Jamaica and planning to come to foreign. If you don't have no money to buy the sitting them for we, tell we 1-2 weeks or so before make we moneygram the money so you can buy we sitting them. That's when you come up and you say I not really fool. Because it don't make no sense. So you bring up 1 box of juicy beef patty or tasty patty and you name 6 or tight. It don't make no sense. You understand? Me don't like it tastes the cheese tape on top of a fridge for at least 1-2 months after no gone. You understand? To make it look like say we have somebody at Jamaica we take care about we and we send up 1 and 2 liquor sitting. But for uno care up is sitting and then turn around near me off before uno left, that not right. And if I saw, may I make sure no carry no one food to, and me not carry no go the mall. I mean not carry no go buy Chinese food. I mean not carry no go Chinese buffet or Chili's. Somehow no want go all over the place. Or no want go red name Ruby Tuesday. Or no want go Chili's. Or no want go Olive Garden. Or no want go all of these nice places. But when we carry no, and no name that as you no come back in our house, or no cut cheese, or no pull banana chips, or no name the Bigfoot. Me no night. Me no say run a foreign. Remember that me I tell you that.